how was your experience with management?
Coming to the management experience, each and every staff is working in Networkers Home are really very supportive. There was a communication trainer. She was IELTS certified trainer. But among those all candidates, I choose networking as my future because networking is the backbone of the IT industry, and this is very important.
How did you prepare your resume? What are the important things you kept in your resume so that they choose you? Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Voices of Victory, a platform where our students come together to share their success stories. Today we are delighted to be joined by Mahadev, who has recently got job placement at Scale Computing. Without any further ado, let's get started and dive straight into the conversation. Hi Mahadev, welcome to Networkers Home.
Hi Gauri.
So how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, before starting the podcast, I want to congratulate on your new job.
Thank you.
So how is it going? We'll talk about that. Just start with the introduction.
Yes. Thank you. My name is Mahadev and I'm from Maharashtra. I have recently completed my B.Tech degree in computer science and engineering. And after that, I just came to here in Bangalore for CCIE course. I enrolled here for the CCIE training course. So where I completed my CCNA and CCNP studies in that. So during that, I learned here lots of technical things about networking, basics of networking, routing, switching part in that. And I get to know that about the firewalls, how firewall exactly works and how data packet flows from one device to another device. This is what I learned here in Networkers Home.
That's really great, Mahadev. You came across a lot of concepts. So before getting into other questions, I just want to ask you, how you got to know about Networkers Home?
About Networkers Home, I got to know this about from one of my friend. He's working here in Bangalore as a network engineer, and he suggested me to enroll here for the CCIE training course. So after his suggestion, I just enrolled here.
That's a nice thing. So Mahadev, as you told, you came across a lot of concepts and you got into Networkers Home. So can you provide inside experience with your trainers and management?
So here in Networkers Home, trainers are really very brilliant and their knowledge about networking is really very outstanding. I started CCNA from Bhim sir.
Okay.
His way of teaching is very good. After that, I completed my CCNP studies with Nikun sir and Ajay sir.
Okay.
They both are really very good trainers regarding networking concept. Like Ajay sir teaches us very in depth about in theory part and his practical part, and the experience was really very good with both trainers.
That's really nice to have a good bonding. This mingling and this bond helps you to get a very good education.
Yes.
And you improve a lot.
Yes, Lord.
So how was your experience with management and how was your classroom experience, lab experience?
Coming to the management experience, each and every staff is working in Networkers Home are really very supportive, and whenever I ask them about any questions about many issues I'm facing with this classes and any management team issues, so always connected with this management staff, they always help me a lot in that. So I can say that management is really very good and very supportive for the students.
Oh, that's a nice thing. And what about your classroom and lab?
My class experience is also really very impressive because whenever I used to attend the classes with my friends, I met lots of friends here from my different states, different cultures. Following with all those friends, I made lots of friends here. Along with the class experience with lab trainers and the technical trainers, they both are really very joyful and helps me a lot to learn and be engaged in technical parts and the practical parts.
That's a nice thing what you told. And the very nice thing is that you met a lot of people from other states and communicated with them. So as I mentioned communication, so how did it help anything related to communication? Did it develop in yourself?
Yeah, in Networkers Home, like the people and students came from different states. That for that we have the only single language as the English language. So due to that language, we got to learn, improved lots in English here, and also the Networkers Home provided the technical along with that communication classes with the expert English trainers. There was a communication trainer. She was IELTS certified trainer.
Okay.
So and she taught us good communication skills and grammars.
That's a good thing, because these kind of small activities and classes improves you to get a very good communication skills, which
Yes.
helps you in a future interviews or companies. Not only companies, you can communicate with any other people also. That's a good thing what you mentioned. So Mahadev, I just want to ask you that how was your mock interview?
Yeah, regarding mock interviews, I have attended 2-3 mock interviews here. So the mock interviews, it feels similar like we are attending interview in a big MNC companies, because the trainers ask the such kind of questions, which questions are going to be asked in the companies. So this mock interview was really helpful for me to be prepared for the big MNCs.
That's a good thing. And what kind of a question you came across when you attend a mock interview?
During mock interviews, I came across the questions like how you create a VLANs in a switchings and how you configure the routing protocols between two routers. Such kind of questions I got in the mock interviews.
Okay, that's a nice thing. Is there any one thing, like when it comes to a mock interview, you just want to tell this is an important thing, and let people know, just remember this is the important thing, which it always comes in a mock interview?
Okay, in a mock interviews, every time the questions comes, that is about the OSI model and the TCP/IP model.
Okay.
Because many students used to neglect that, but that is really very important question in the mock interviews and also in a MNC companies, because OSI model is a basic and a foundational that we should know about that, the OSI model, what exactly and how it is works.
Okay, that's a good thing what you mentioned. Now people will remember that and they'll, include that also in their studies.
Yes.
That's a nice thing. So as you told about mock interview and the questions, so I just want to get directly to your new company. Just let us know about that.
Recently, I have joined Scale Computing as a NOC engineer. So
Okay.
this company is USA-based technology company where the company is mainly focusing on virtualizations and does hyper convergence. This is one of the part of that company. So that
Okay.
really very helps me to learn and explore the IT industry in Scale Computing.
Oh, that's a nice thing. So Mahadev, how was your interview process?
I have gone through 5 rounds in interviews. So starting with the HR calls, and after that assessment round, then manager round, then second technical manager round, and after that after completion clearing this all rounds, I met with an again HR round, and HR round connects me to with the director round. So this is 5 rounds which I've gone through.
That's a nice thing. While you're telling, I just came across a question. So how did you prepare your resume? What are the important things you kept in your resume so that they choose you?
I prepared my resume according to the JDA, because every time we need to prepare our resume according to the job description which company
Yeah,
are requiring.
exactly.
So according to that only I have mentioned whatever the skills they are asking for, and I prepared those points and mentioned in my resume, and also mentioned my previous experiences which I did internships in Victor Chessex and one internship at LTM Mindtree. So I mentioned in that resume. By that I got selected.
That's a nice thing. Can you just explain about the internships what you made?
In Victor Chessex, I got selected as a network engineer intern, where I was working for the Proxmox servers and virtualizations. I was working for the virtualization, creating the virtual machines in a Proxmox server, and working with the teammates, like senior teammates, and under the guidance and mentors.
Okay, that's a nice thing. So Mahadev, how important is internship in this networking field?
Internship, which gives you the exposure of how real world an IT company works as a network engineer, and your roles and responsibility, you will get to know that in the internship. So according to me, internship is really helpful for all the candidates who wants to join the companies, because before joining the big MNCs, you will get to know that what are your roles and what are exactly responsibilities you are going to follow up in MNCs. So those all responsibilities, and you will get to know that your capabilities in internship, and this is the platform which helps you to learn and explore the companies.
That's a good thing what you mentioned, that how internship will take important role in every workspace. Yes. That's a good thing. So what are the challenges did you face actually before getting into a job, and how did you face that?
Before joining the networkers home, I have the knowledge of only basics of networking, but I don't know about what exactly CCNA meant for and what the content they're going to teach me. So when I joined here, so always in doubt that what exactly it is and am I really understand this or not. So that makes me always fear about the networking. So after joining the networkers home, the trainers really makes me the doubtful from these all things. So they always cleared my doubts whenever I got the issues in practicals and understanding the theory concept. They were always with me to help me every time.
That's a nice thing. They made you to overcome with your fears.
Yes.
They made you to, they motivated you basically.
Yes, we can say like that.
Yeah, that's a nice thing. So how was your overall experience?
The overall experience was really very good with this networkers home, and whatever the courses they are providing, that really helpful for these new youths, because as I observed from last 2-3 years, whichever the student engineering candidate pass out from the degree, they always go towards the full stack development. That really doesn't mean that each and every student should get the education of full stack development. Apart from that, there is lots of things that every student should get to know that. And I choose the networking as my future, because everybody is chasing towards the full stack development. But among those all candidates, I choose networking as my future, because networking is a backbone of the IT industry, and this is a very important. It is a core field to grow in this field.
Okay, that's a nice thing what you told actually, because a lot of people will get motivated with these things. So Mahadev, we are at the end of our podcast. Is there anything you to tell to our audience who are watching this, and the last word and the last keynote for Team Networkers Home?
Finally, I would like to thank to the Networkers Home and the mentors and the trainers who helped me to learn and grow in this field. And the keynote, I just want to suggest all the future network engineers, so that be confident in this field and learn as much as you can and explore this networking field, because this is very fun and joyful to learn and grow here in this networking field. So that's what I choose this field, because that really helps me to grow and enjoy this field. I would like to express the gratitude towards the Networkers Home, and they believe me and guided me to grow here.
So Mahadev, it was really great talking to you. You gave us a lot of information and you shared your experience with us. Thank you for coming.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for calling me here for this today's podcast. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.